All right, imagine this. Instead of jumping between 10 different AI tools to create images, videos, 3D models, and presentations, you've got everything in one place. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's exactly what today's lifetime deal of Phygital Plus promises. And trust me, this one's worth a close look. Phygital Plus calls itself an AI-powered creative workspace, but I like to think of it as your personal creative command center. It's basically 20-plus pro-grade AI tools, the kind you'd normally have to pay separate subscriptions for, all neatly packed into one browser-based platform. And here's the best part. It's a lifetime deal right now on AppSumo. Pay once, and you're set. No monthly fees. That's a huge win for creators, marketers, agencies, and honestly, anyone tired of paying for a dozen separate AI tools. So what can you actually do with Phygital Plus? Well, here's the highlight reel. AI image generation and editing. Create high-quality images. Remove backgrounds. Upscale them. Even use in-painting to tweak details. Video creation and editing. Generate short clips. Edit them directly in the platform, and even add AI-driven animations. 3D modeling and texturing. Build or modify 3D objects and apply textures. No fancy software or GPU required. Custom AI training. Got a specific style or brand aesthetic? You can actually train Phygital Plus on it so everything matches your unique look. And yeah, there's even a full AI presentation builder for decks, charts, and visuals. What makes this deal special isn't just the features, it's the workflow. Instead of bouncing between Midjourney for images, Runway for video, and Blender for 3D, you can literally handle it all in one dashboard. It saves you time, keeps everything consistent, and honestly, it's way less frustrating. Now pricing. There are 3 tiers in this lifetime deal. Tier 1, $49 for 500 monthly generations. Tier 2, $149 for 1,200 monthly generations. Tier 3, $270 for 3,000 monthly generations. Each tier unlocks more tools, higher limits, and bigger batch processing. Plus, you get 60 days to upgrade if you start smaller and realize you need more power. I'll drop the link to the Phygital Plus lifetime deal below. Check it out while it's still available on AppSumo. Once it's gone, it's gone. All right. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more lifetime deal finds, and I'll see you in the next one.